service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Los Angeles County in southwestern California and eastern Antelope Valley until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Playa Blossom, Yarno, Vallejo, Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Waterman and Wrightwood, and Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Wilson and Mount Waterman. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
All right, let's get that.